Hi. 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 Bad word.
Hey Sully, hey, what are you doing in here in this bar?
Me?
You're here to drink?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Are you 21?
Yeah.
I'm out to see ID, brother. Hmm. Yep, that's you. All right, brother, what can I do you for?
Better?
You want a beer?
Yeah.
Well, I got a nice selection of the finest of liqueurs in the biz.
Yeah.
So, pick your poison. You want this one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think you understand why it is at the end of the line. The end of the line is you're done.
Yeah.
You want cat sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. If you drink this, even the hardest of drinkers will go down. You want something?
No.
No?
No.
No. Okay, let me go ahead and get you the waiver so you can sign, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Sully, here's the signed waiver form for you, just in case, just to cover me and my brand, okay?
Yeah.
Here you go.
My last name?
There you go. Perfect. Alrighty, perfect. You have now chosen to go for cat sauce. Hey, Sully, man, are you okay? Yo, you don't look too good. I told you, don't drink cat sauce, bro. I told.
Mom?
You know what? I'm gonna call mom. Okay, stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, Nance. Yeah, he drink cat sauce. Yeah, he's drunk. Can you come pick him up? Okay.